In today's video, I'm going to change the camber settings of my 4C. The factory settings for the 4C are pretty bad. There's not enough camber and the toe in toe out is all over the place. So I'm going from basically -1 degree and I'm going to increase it to about -1.4. So all that takes is to add one of these 2mm shims that I got from Gale Motorsports over in Europe. Yeah, and then we'll go from there. Oh, you already slipped it in?
I slipped one in. Slipped in the wrong hole, mate. Nah, King. You don't see it from like the same original place. So anyway, that's one on there, so I'm gonna put two on the back.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can see that from the GoPro, but that's the shim already put in. You should be able to see that. Freshly clean wheels.
You all good there?
Yep, all good. Alright, we'll just put back on the wheels. So later we're going to take it for a little bit of a test drive, see if we can notice some of those
What do you reckon,
camber
like
changes.
half a degree each wheel?
Yeah, so before it was -1 degree.
Yeah.
-1 degree camber. Now it's -1.5. Testing the Alfa 4C after putting in, was it two? Oh no, we did a single shim, a 22mm shim.
Yeah.
To increase camber by 1/4 degree. So now it's 1.5 negative camber.
And not only that, but we added an extra 2mm to caster on one side to make it equal or some shit.
Hard to tell. Hard to tell. It has to be. Yeah. Feels like a
Rodent tire, maybe.
yeah, it's actually I can feel like it has a little bit more. You can lean into a bit more.
If even as a passenger, I'm not like it feels like you're able to push it more without it acting stupid.
Yeah,
Maybe a small adjustment, but a good one at that.
I think so.
Actually, for suspension stuff, little stuff actually makes a big difference.
Yes.
Weirdly.
And this is even before it's gone for a proper toe out alignment.
I like
you know, it needs that realign again.
Yeah, shit. So it's a complex. So normal like workshops, or like say, I'm not gonna say Jack specifically, but they probably don't typically do cars like this. So they don't know how, right?
You know, like if I paid him to go, all right, can you like jack it up and then put those shims in? You know, it's gonna cost like $700 up to maybe $1,000, and like
You don't even know what they.
well, we actually don't know.
Yeah. What, like, so with the job that we just did, you mean?
Yeah. Yeah, like jacking up the front and then putting those shims in. I think they don't like to do that. So we've already undid all of these bolts, so you can see it's kind of almost about to come out. And we did remove all the wheel lining. It's just the last bolts that are a bit hard to reach from inside the boot. So it's much easier to reach from without the wheel liner.
It's like they put the bolt there and don't think about how to access it until after or something.
Yeah.
There's actually a couple of these bolts that you have to take off, otherwise it stays It stays together with the rear bar. Please don't like go somewhere that you can't find it. Hell, I remember dropping a bolt like in between my steering rack and some other stuff, and I literally got it back like 3 years later.
Yeah.
Right.
Whoa. Shit. That was crazy. Look at the ducting on the... That's some nice, like, I don't know, it just looks cool. And all the air can get out and just dissipate wherever it needs to, is it? Or there's a low pipe there. Cool. Oh, is it dead?
No.
Oh, the light.
Jumping spider.
Oh, it's so weird colour.
Yeah.
There's not only like dirt and leaves and shit, which is good.
A bit of...
Oh, is that like eggs and stuff, eh?
Yeah.
Now. It's like Arnold Schwarzenegger when half his face.
Terminator, yeah.
It's crazy. Couldn't really want to drive it, I know.
This is the whole reason for removing this panel, to clean up the eggs. Yeah.
Ew.
Terminator. Oh my god. Probably sound a lot louder induction wise. That was crazy.